Welcome to the JAECOO J7 PHEV SHS Mega Gathering 2025.
The trust you have given to us is something we take very, very seriously as our key responsibility, staying true to our brand promise from classic beyond classic. On behalf of the team, thank you again for traveling all the way here, and thank you for your trust and your support.
I think the super hybrid system is one of the best in the industry right now compared to the other car that we have been researching for so far. From my experience riding for about almost 2,000 kilometers or 3,000 I guess, my battery never run below 20%. I think that's awesome. That's one of the best systems that I've encountered right now.
This hybrid solves my problem because I get the EV feel as well as I don't have the range anxiety. So that's what made me to decide to buy this car.
The part that really attracts me is really the fuel economy, the saving itself, because petrol is expensive, especially even more expensive in Singapore.
First week when I took my car, I drove to Singapore. Came back to KL with one single charge and one full tank. I was pretty impressed.
It's great to connect with all the other owners, share experiences, to know all the tips and tricks. Sharing all the knowledge and learning each other from each other, I think it's one of the best experiences I ever had.
It's a very good event where you connect all the users, and end of the day we managed to meet more people. We shared our thoughts, we shared our feedback, and also we share our experience. It's very, very helpful for us as well.
Thank you so much for JAECOO or Milestones Malaysia to host all this kind of gathering, and then hopefully we can see more of this and we can connect more.